So, this is my own guitar. It was a bit of a project. I was in Maplins today and they were selling a load of bits off really cheap. I bought myself a little switch, a momentary switch, which means it doesn't click. What it does is as you press it, it kills. You getting me? And it releases. When it's released, it sends the signal through. So I'm going to wire this in as a kill switch mod on my Pacifica with active Seymour Duncans. Let's see how it goes. So first of all, I've got to take the strings off to give me access to the squatch plate. So let's get these strings wound off, and then we'll take all these little screws out and we'll see if we can mount. I've just been playing and I really like it here, but I don't know if there's space. So that's what we've got to check for. We've got to see if there's space under the scratch plate here, so when I'm playing I can tap. So we shall find out. So, moment of truth, and the answer is no. So, let's see if we can get it down here. See if we can drill a hole through here somewhere. See if I can. I really want it there. I want it more here, I think. Okay, so we can do it there. Yeah, we'll have to go there. Okay, so next bit, it's drill time. Okay, so I've decided to put it there instead, because I was going to put it there, but so I can be strumming. Kill. Okay, so let's get this beast wired up. Okay, so I've drilled the switch in, you can see that there, and I'm just looking at the rest of the wiring, and I'm going to redo it because I think I did this in 2004, 2005. So this is like my early 20s soldering, which was crap. So I'm going to do a bit of a neaten up job, I think, and then we'll wire that switch in. So hopefully to look a little bit better than this when you see it next, like now. There, it's much neater, I think. So I've wired the little switch in. Basically all you do is come off the positive of the switch and take it to where the pickup feeds, and then on the other side of the switch you ground it to earth. So now I'm going to put it all back together and hopefully it works. Okay, so here it is. Moment of truth.